Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name, and watch till the end as I discuss it on the mobile version as well, and I will put chapters on my video. Now, first just simply go to your YouTube, of course, and just simply click on your profile icon on the top right, and after that just simply click on view your channel over here. And now from here you should be able to see here customize channel, so click on it, and after that guys just simply go ahead and click on the name over here. Right away you should be able to change it, and as you can see you can change your name twice in 14 days. And guys, if your channel is verified and if you change your name, your verification will be removed. So now from here just simply provide the new name that you prefer, and after that just simply click on publish on the top right corner of the screen, and from there guys you should be able to change your name. Now let's move on to the mobile. So guys, here on the mobile just simply open up the app, and after that just simply tap on the U on the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here guys just simply tap on view channel on the top right over here. And after that, you should be able to see here this pencil icon over here. So just simply tap on the pencil icon. And from here, you should be able to see name. So just simply tap on the pencil icon again. And from here, you should be able to change your name. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on save. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.